it's important when you are doing the first steps to build confidence between the two parts. And that's, for me, that's the most important step, because you can recognize that you have differences with with your opponent. When I started the negotiation process, in one of my first talks with the Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez, I explained him that I know that you defend United Spain, and you know that I am defending Catalonia's independence, but we both can engage in a negotiation process. So let's look if we have room to advance in this negotiation process. These are conflicts that have deep roots in history. So, and you cannot solve rapidly and very quickly a conflict like that. You need time to solve that. The other similarity is that the Kurdish movement associates the freedom for the Kurdish people with equality, with economic progress, with prosperity. And this is very similar to our movement. We say that there are two faces of the same coin: national liberation and social justice, freedom and justice. Because in the end, both Kurdish people and Catalan people, we want freedom for our people to live better in society, to have better societies, to have societies that are more equal and more prosperous. So in a gradual solution, the risk is to stop in the second step. And you want to walk 5 or 6 steps, but you are working gradually, and then you stop on the second step and you cannot advance more. We had 2 objectives, 2 goals of the political negotiation. One was amnesty and the other was self-determination. In other words, our goals were ending the repression and achieving freedom for our people. We achieved the first one. A lot of people have benefit from the amnesty law. But the problem, the question of sovereignty, of self-determination, of autonomy, of the political solution is on the table. So we have not achieved a significant step forward on that. We've been discussing on fiscal autonomy, on some powers, on other issues, but the political solution is still waiting to be implemented and to be agreed. And this is one of the risks. And meanwhile, you are in the negotiation process. In a world that is full of complexity, other issues arise. A pandemic, economic crisis, geopolitical turmoil. So taking into account that you have to have in mind that this is a gradual process, so having this long-term view is very important.